Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, but it didn't really have anything to do with it. It has to do with, I said in the earlier video that these parts that we virtually segment a leak key aren't joined. The best way I've ever found in joining stuff is to use the Smart Fill tool. We can't really use the Smart Fill tool because you have text in the way. So we're going to ungroup this. But now we need to move all that text out of the way. Go up to Edit, Find, or Select All Text, and then nudge it out of the way. Take your Smart Fill tool to watch this. I've got a leak. I knew I had a leak. That's why I kind of decided to do the video. So let's take this and select it all, and that turns them all dark or fills them in. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. 0.02 or 0.02 is what I would have it set on. Now watch the Smart Fill tool. Fills it in. Nudge it over twice. Left click, right click, make sure it's on hairline, and then nudge it back. Then you could get rid of this one. And actually, you could have done this without this one. You don't even need this one. Remember how we nudged this? We'll just Control D and make a duplicate of it, and then nudge this one back, and you've got your two layers. You've got your back side and your front side to glue together. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.